Hoi allemaal! Ever been stuck mid-sentence trying to decide between de and het? You're definitely not alone. Dutch articles trip up almost every learner. But don't worry, I'll break it down for you in a simple way. And in this lesson you will learn the difference between de and het and when to use een. And I'll also give you some easy tips to remember which article goes with which noun. And by the end you will feel much more confident using Dutch articles correctly. So let's get started. Let's talk a little bit about articles, or in this case the Dutch articles, because these are very important for you to know, because you have to learn them with each noun that you learn. So what is an article? So words for things, objects and ideas, these are called nouns, right? And they are often preceded by, in Dutch then, de or het. So in English that is the. So in English it's the book, the boy, the girl, but in Dutch that is different. Some words go with de and some words go with het. And they have exactly the same meaning, so de and het, they have exactly the same meaning, but you have to learn which word takes de and which word takes het. Then the last article is the article een. So in English you have a or an. So in Dutch you have just one version for that, and that is een. Okay? So we have de and het, that is the, and we have een, and that is a. And you have to learn de and het, you have to learn by heart. So let's look at some examples. So we have, for example, de kamer, de kamer. So kamer is always preceded by de, and it means the room. Then we have een kamer. Een kamer is a room. Then, for example, we have het huis. So huis, the house, is het huis. It is the way it is. There is no de house. It's just always het house. But when we say a house, it is always the same. It is een huis. And then one more example. For example, de auto. De auto. So the car is always de auto. But with an indefinite article, it is een auto, right? So you see, de and het, that changes. Een is always the same. Geweldig gedaan! Good job! You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons, and you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.